I won't waste my time no more. Don't got the patience. I guess it's back to the basics. I can't go back broke, oh no. Got the shit out the mud, we used to serve out the basement. If you ever held me back from getting to the racks, it's cool, cause I'ma get this money, I ain't never looking back. But I can't waste my time no more, no.
Oh yeah, so we made it to the 01 at the undisclosed location. You know what I'm saying? We're at the Area 52, not Area 51, because Area 52, you know, got more advanced, you know, space technology we gotta take to the outer space. So yeah, we over here. You know, he's doing the depart from shipper.
Getting it in.
Oh yeah.
You gotta document everything too.
Oh, there you go, documentation with the nation. You heard it first, guys. You heard it first. So stay tuned, man. We're taking this out of space. See you in the intergalactical Milky Way as we progress. I mean, because I feel like with trucking, like when I got into trucking, I feel like I've got a taste of freedom. Yeah. I've got my taste of freedom. Exactly. You know, working those jobs where I have somebody over me, and now getting into trucking, never go back. Man, I would never ever go back. I told when I left that warehouse, I told myself, I was like, the next time I come into warehouse is to drop off a load. Man, say, would you look what's going on now? We're both in a situation where the money we're making, now we're in a position to be owners and bosses. That's the next step. What else is after this? Ownership. That's the only thing after this. It's not getting the next best job. It's not going to another company. This right here is our meal ticket, man. Exactly. Not only we can feed our families, we can feed our financial futures.
Listen, don't lie to me, baby. Listen, you driving me crazy. Man, I knew you were lying when you said you were riding. Girl, I knew from the start that you be breaking my heart, and you never put in your part. When we started, we was down, but we was rocking sincere. Super up in them Aspen cabins, and now we rocking my clear. But I'ma hold you down like I'm supposed to. Why? That's what real niggas gon' do.
Yo, my man, where we at today? Where we at right now?
We in Boston.
Boston? We finally made it to Boston?
We in Boston, baby.
Nice. It feels good. Feels so good. Hey, there is a like plaza center that's coming up in about 10 miles. You might pull over. I gotta use the restroom. Guys, I just woke up from like this sleep in the back. Oh, dropped the camera. Big hibernation back there. Just woke up and we are in Boston, and we are finna go drop this load off, and I gotta use the restroom, guys. So I'll meet you guys right back. All right, brother, you getting in there?
Yes, sir.
All right, see you in there. Oh yeah, about to use the restroom, guys. You see that trailer back there? I don't think he's supposed to open them doors up till he gets to the shipper, but maybe somebody broke into his stuff. Luckily, we have a padlock, and we don't play no games when it comes to our loads, man. We make sure it's locked, loaded, and secure, baby. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, we are getting back into the truck, guys. Big things popping, little things stopping. Catch up to it, because we ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Let's go. Woo!
Yeah, you love me, I was making money. Went broke, you did me dirty. Yeah, it sucked, I passed the ball, but I had the jet, then he touched the birdie. Look, you can just continue with these wannabes, giving you that old school kick like wallabies. I won't waste my time no more. Don't got the patience. I guess it's back to the basics. I can't go back broke, oh no. Got the shit out the mud, we used to serve out the basement. If you ever held me back from getting to the racks, it's cool, cause I'ma get this money, I ain't never looking back. But I can't waste my time no more, no.
Alrighty, so yeah, we are here at the location. I don't want to disclose it because you know it's Area 52 type information right now. I can't give out the information because it's top secret, you know, $1 million loads. So I gotta keep on the hush hush. You know, big airplanes in the back. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. So, but anyways, we are here at the drop-off location, and yeah, guys, sorry, loud airplane. So yeah, shout out to Prime, by the way. big prime on the side of the trailer. So yeah, we are here in Boston, Massachusetts, and yeah, drop his load off, and I guess I'm gonna go and end it off in this right here. I'm trying something different with the videos, guys, so I'm trying to keep it a lot more interesting, a lot more how should I say, just different things going on with the video. So just bear with me. I'm trying something new, and I hope you guys like it, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I won't waste my
Man, shoosh. I'm telling you, man, I feel so free, man. Especially when I finally got my first truck, man. I was in this thing just turned. I'm talking about yelling. I was yelling so much, I lost my voice. I'm like just turning up everything, man. Because it's that freedom, like, and I've always
Just don't know.
exactly. And then to get paid to travel, oh man.
Don't get that.
People go to school for like 2 years. You know, you got doctors going to school for 10 years, and I don't knock that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can't do everything. Like me personally, I mean, I could probably go to school, graduate, and all that good stuff, college degree, but that route, it didn't seem smart to me. Because why should I do? There's a shortage of truckers, right?
Truckers, pilots.
Exactly. There you go. Exactly. These type of fields create more opportunities for the ones who take advantage of the opportunity. Even when, like I said, pilots, those guys, they own so much real estate. It's ridiculous. You know what I'm saying?
Man, I was in class with a guy. He said, man, I need to pay for my flight school. I said, man, flight school costs you about $80,000 just for to go to school. Yeah. Then you trouble to get my flight school. I'm like, okay, that's what's up. And I talked to Ace. Ace told me he's always as soon as we finish school, before he get home and change his drive like no train, I already called him. He was already gone. So now Ace would tell me, say, shit, he better get his own truck. Say, in a few hours, he better get his own truck. I'm like, shit. He said, you only gonna be prime 2 years.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, he's trying to go owner operator for real.
So he's gonna be prime 2 years. Gonna get 2 years, and then gonna pay that flight school, and they go. That's what's up.
Yeah, everybody. It's crazy because everybody has their own path, right?
Yeah.
And I love going to the terminal. I don't know if you ever play like any like RPG games growing up, like games that like you pull up, like you go to a location and everybody's there. Like I feel like I'm on a quest. Like when I go to the terminal, I feel like I'm on a quest. You know what I'm saying? And everybody's on their own little journey.
Yeah.
It's like you talk to somebody, it's like, well, they know a little something about that. Oh, this person knows a little something about this. Okay, this person owns 4 trucks. Okay, this person's just not getting in. He's a rookie, right? He's just okay. So it is like everybody's on this own journey. You pull up at the terminal and stuff like that. Even in life, I mean, everybody's just going through life. Like this person right here, this truck, they could be going to. That's Oklahoma license plate. So they're coming from Oklahoma. Where are they going?
Yeah.
Where the hell are they going? What's in that truck?
Yeah.
They could have cocaine in that truck.
Anything.
It could be anything. Damn, it could be human trafficking going
I
on.
say traffic.
You know what I mean?
Everybody on different paths.
On different paths. Could be passing by. Somebody could be a billionaire. Just
Never know.
never know. Hey, I got a question for y'all. Well, I didn't know who you was. I can't ask you a question. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, yeah, man. I mean, trucking. Such a wonderful thing, man. Wonderful thing. I mean, it's beautiful out here. You know, it's got its ups and downs like everything else does.
Oh yeah, you know. That's what you make of.
Exactly. I think that's the biggest key is what you make out of it.
Make it.
Yeah. the perception